So the customer is a a generator and alternator rebuilder, and they needed a way to get orders to the warehouse to bring parts up front. Instead of using a speaker, which is often garbled and notes get ruined or misheard, so what we're doing instead is creating this sheet that prints in the back. We have this template we've created in the back, and then a printer in the warehouse creating this pickup sheet. We have a bell on the printer that will automatically ring and let you know when there's a tag on the printer, so that if the person is not at the desk, they'll get an audible sound. We also have a way to tell them if it's a pickup or a delivery. A pickup means they're waiting at the desk up front. Delivery means they need to bring it up front, but it's not as urgent. And of course, there's also an urgent checkbox, meaning, hey, not only is it a pickup, but the guy's waiting and he's in a hurry. So let's go ahead and do a pickup. Each of these check boxes will trigger a print on the top of the form. We'll put in a part number here. That's the one they want coming up. They need one of them. They also need a second part, and one of those also. We're going to go ahead and print this, and we get the tag in the back. Now there is a delay on the bell, so the person does have a chance to pull this before the bell starts ringing, but he's actually in the stacks pulling orders. So now the bell starts to ring. They tell me they could hear this throughout the whole back here, even though it is kind of loud. So there's the bell. The sensor's under here. Pull this order off, and it stops ringing.